Will Apple TV work without Wi-Fi? Apple TV can function without a Wi-Fi connection, but its features will be limited. If you do not have Wi-Fi or an internet connection, here's what you can and cannot do with Apple TV. 1. Playing downloaded or offline content. If you have downloaded movies or TV shows from Apple TV Plus, iTunes, or third-party apps, you can watch them offline without Wi-Fi. Apple TV does not have built-in storage, so downloads must be done on another Apple device and streamed via AirPlay or a connected external drive. 2. Using AirPlay without Wi-Fi. You can AirPlay content from an iPhone, iPad, or Mac directly to Apple TV using peer-to-peer AirPlay. This feature works without Wi-Fi, but requires both devices to have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled, even though they do not need an active internet connection. Works best for mirroring photos, videos, and offline media stored on your Apple device. 3. Watching content from external devices. If you connect an Apple TV to an HDMI source, like a DVD player, gaming console, or USB drive with media files, you can watch content offline. Some third-party apps may allow external drive playback if the content is preloaded. 4. Using Apple TV for gaming. Games downloaded through Apple Arcade can be played offline. Multiplayer or online-based games require Wi-Fi. 5. Controlling smart home devices locally. If Apple TV is used as a HomeKit hub, you can control certain smart home devices within your local network without Wi-Fi. Remote access to smart home features requires an internet connection. 6. No streaming without internet. Apple TV cannot stream from apps like Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, YouTube, or Apple TV Plus without an internet connection. Live TV channels and cloud-based DVR services require Wi-Fi or Ethernet. 7. Using Apple TV with Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi. If Wi-Fi is unavailable, you can connect Apple TV directly to a router using an Ethernet cable for full functionality. This allows access to streaming services, updates, and online features without relying on Wi-Fi. Who can use Apple TV without Wi-Fi? Apple TV will work without Wi-Fi for offline downloads, AirPlay gaming, and local device connections, but streaming services and online features will not work. If you need a stable connection but do not have Wi-Fi, using Ethernet is the best alternative. Apple TV is designed for internet-based streaming, but it still offers limited offline functionality for certain media playback and device mirroring.